Okay, we will make our own grading sheet right now, and I'm going to show you exactly how you can build your own from scratch. So the first thing we want to do right now is we need to create our own table. I have my own table right here on this spreadsheet. You might want to do exactly what I am doing or try to form your own table. So let's get started. Now, looking at this particular spreadsheet here, you can see that these names are somewhat not having enough breathing space. So I'll come right here and double click to give it some space. I'll do the same thing with this and also for this. Alright, so after doing this, I can observe that the space occupied by attendance, classwork, assignment is just too much. So I want to make sure that they all fit into a narrow space that is very neat. So I'll select everything and then right click and come to format cells. And then I'll come to this alignment, and then I'll just tilt this to 90 degrees and pick OK. So it's all okay now this way. So I can come here and double click again, and then we have this. So I didn't do that for this, so fortunately I have to quickly do it by going to format cells and pick 90% and OK. Alright, so I have to fit it back. Alright, so I think this is kind of making sense. So the next thing we want to do right now is let's try to code this and try to color this particular portion by coming here. I like this particular color, it's very beautiful. So pick this. I think it's making more sense this way now. Alright, now what about this week one? This week one is actually for everything up to here. So I want to extend this week one up to the end here. So what I'll do is I'll just select all these cells and then come to merge and center. So you click it and that's fine. Alright, so we have been able to make a simple part of our table on our pathway to making our own grade sheet. I hope you can replicate this. So if you want to do for second week, third week, just repeat this process. The next video will have populated the whole of this spreadsheet with week 1 up to maybe week 12. Then we'll now go on with our formatting.